Cobras, taipans, sea snakes, and mambas are all part of a snake family called elapids. These snakes evolved about 37 million years ago, and when they spread around the world, they brought a deadly type of venom that targets an ancient weakness in the nervous system of vertebrates. This made the world much more dangerous for other animals. As a result, many species had to adapt quickly to survive. Elapids are only a relatively recent addition to the snake family, even though snakes have been around for over 100 million years. Elapids first appeared around 37 million years ago, with fossils dating back 25 million years. Since then, they've evolved rapidly, with around 600 venomous snake species, half of which are elapids, including some of the deadliest snakes like cobras, mambas, and coral snakes. What makes elapids especially dangerous is their venom. Unlike other snakes with fangs that deliver venom slowly, elapids have hollow, syringe-like fangs that can inject large amounts of venom at high pressure. Their venom is neurotoxic, meaning it affects the nervous system. It blocks nerve signals, causing paralysis and sometimes death in hours or even minutes. As a result, an evolutionary arms race began. Vertebrates that faced elapids had to find ways to cope with this venom. Some species adapted to resist the venom, and one group of legless amphibians called caecilians experienced this struggle. Caecilians are much older than snakes and look like them, but they evolved before elapids appeared. Research has shown that caecilians from different parts of the world developed resistance to elapid venom more than 15 times. Some adapted by blocking the toxins from reaching their nervous system, others changed the shape or charge of their receptors, making it harder for the toxins to bind. This resistance happened in different parts of the world, from the Americas to Africa and Asia, showing how widespread the effects of elapid venom were. The struggle was so intense that only those with genetic mutations that helped resist the venom survived, leading to the evolution of caecilians with better resistance. But, interestingly, caecilians in the Seychelles, which have never encountered elapids, did not evolve this resistance. Other animals, like meerkats, mongooses, and honey badgers, also evolved ways to resist elapid venom. In fact, humans also have some resistance, especially our ancestors, who were more likely to come into contact with neurotoxic snakes like cobras. As early humans began spending more time on the ground, they faced more risks from venomous snakes. Individuals with genetic resistance were more likely to survive, passing on those traits. This resistance likely helped us survive encounters with venomous snakes like cobras, making us better equipped to handle neurotoxic venom compared to other primates. This doesn't mean we are immune to snake venom. We are still vulnerable to bites, so it's important to treat venomous snakes with respect. However, we are slightly better equipped to survive bites than other primates, like lemurs, who have never encountered these snakes. Interestingly, our struggle with snakes may have influenced their evolution too. Some researchers believe that by using sticks or throwing things at cobras, early humans may have caused some cobra species to evolve into spitting cobras that can shoot venom from a distance. This is just one example of how humans and animals have influenced each other's evolution.